All right, guys, here's the project for the day. I guess Chris's cows are getting out, or his calves are anyways. I guess the ditch washed out and they're getting underneath the fence. So got a little 10-foot stick of ditch culvert, got the 304, and I got a few hours to spare before we go on vacation. So let's go see if we can get this project knocked out. Oh, get this old girl unloaded and get this baby done. Come on now. Got my stickers still everywhere. I got Brandon down there. This big goofy guy over here still. I'll have to admit, every time I see him, at least make me smile. Here we go. What are you afraid of?
That's hot.
It don't look hot.
Touch it, let me know.
How about you touch it? I stand a safe distance away and find out.
I got into it 2 months ago. I know it's hot.
All right, so this is our problem area, eh? Why am I talking like I'm from Canada?
You talk like this works a lot.
No. I don't know where the A come from. It's been a long morning already.
Yeah.
All right, so apparently your little critters you call cows, or calves,
yes,
are getting underneath the fence there.
Yeah, between Mother Nature, it's moved my ditch.
So that's technically not a ditch culvert, that's a cow tunnel?
Yeah, that's a cow tunnel.
Isn't that fancy? Don't see those every day. All right, so this is our plan. We're gonna dig that out. We're gonna dig that out. I got a fancy, yeah, there it is. We got our ditch pipe over there. That's left over from your sister's job.
Really?
So that works out well. All right, so we're gonna build this back up so it catches water and goes through the pipe.
Yeah, just to keep the calves from crawling over the fence. You know, if we had the dirt a foot from the bottom or 8 inches.
Now you realize I'm supposed to leave on vacation in 4 hours, right?
No, you're supposed to leave on vacation on Friday, then you changed plans to leave today.
No, I didn't change the plans. We know who changed the plans. I'm just throwing this out there. If I don't make it home in time, we're both dead.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be sleeping with the cows.
She done dropped the gun on me Saturday.
We better stop yakking and get to work. Sorry about that.
right here.
Well, your project. That's kind of what I had in mind, though.
How much you think we need? How much dirt's gonna roll over?
Well,
Without that telephone pole, ain't it?
yeah, I think you're right. Then we'll just kind of berm up. We'll kind of keep that berm back on this side of the fence just a little bit.
I say, yeah, they've just got water straight down there.
I guess we can take whatever dirt we need from right in here.
Yep.
All right.
You won't get too crazy, but there's 300 foot of lateral lines right there on that hillside.
I don't plan on going that far.
Well, don't get hard.
All right.
Yeah, you can dig out the ditch around there or whatever, however you need to do it.
Sounds good. I guess just try to get that pole back in the ground.
I can pick it up too. I don't know if it needs to go up much. It's probably not. Well, yeah, I would hurt if it was
Up a little bit.
like this here.
Well, let me get a little bit of dirt down in there and get that started, and then you can. We got all the stuff loaded up on the truck. You can attempt to get out of here.
Oh, I got it.
You got it till you don't, right?
Yep.
All right, we got the fence post put back in, ditch culvert in the ditch. Chris is taking off with a load of, if you don't take out the fence, taking off with a load of concrete we got. I think he's going to a different washout in the field. Hopefully he gets out here without hitting a soft spot. Oh yeah, keep on going, truck. Got it. All right, so we gotta get this finished up. Jen has already texted twice. Want to know what time I'm gonna be home for vacation. So better kick this thing in high gear. Pretty sad whenever you got to rely on the customer for fuel. See, I learned my lesson one time. I sat on the side of a pond dam for about 20 minutes because I was an idiot and ran out of fuel. So now whenever it starts sputtering, I either level myself up or find fuel.
I'm surprised it don't just die. Good air pocket in it.
It's pretty temperamental. I knew I was forgetting something this morning. At least I remember the Traco.
Let's fix that gas gauge.
It works. That's how I knew I was almost out. It's not the time it starts sputtering, the warning light starts flashing and dinging at you. All right, so you think this will keep all the future cheeseburgers in the field?
I think so. Little cheeseburgers.
They all gotta start little and grow bigger. Isn't it your job to feed them?
I'm sure one. I told John I'll have a newborn stuck in the middle of that pipe.
All right.
Oh, perfect. Looks good.
That was a quick, easy one. It's not pretty, but it sure is effective.
Hey, we're not going to state fair with them.
All right, I'm gonna get this thing loaded up and get my ass back to Derby. I'm gonna be in trouble.
Yep.
All right, guys, I'm trying to get home, but Cleveland's rolling in with the 850. We gotta move it into this tight little driveway here, so figured I'd stop and give him a hand. Here it comes around the corner. I think you got somebody behind him. We're gonna have to stop traffic and get her backed in here, I guess. You wanna let that guy around you real quick? Whenever you, right there where that little bit of rock's at, there's a big washed out hole.
So don't go there.
Yeah, I'll kind of watch you. You may have to kind of get started down in there and get it straightened up. I'll keep an eye on you though. You want me to demonstrate? Yeah, that's definitely a necessity. Got a new oversized load banner there. I don't look too shabby. Pull up just a little bit, get yourself straight. Woo, just made it. Oh, work right there. Good job. Alright guys, ditch pipe's in, doser's unloaded. It's time for me to get my butt home so we can start vacation. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, catch you on the next one.